Welcome back, people, and welcome to another Truck It Pro episode. We are going today to a builder's site in Watford, so that should be nice and interesting. A bit of a funny old morning. Basically picked up my lorry from a service this morning. However, my windscreen washer wipers, the jet wash, was not working on it, so I've had to take that around to our workshop and get that fixed. It's now 7:30 and I'm leaving to go for my first job. So yeah, a little bit behind schedule this morning, but we'll see how we get on. Come on, people, what are we doing? There we go. There we go. You're welcome. Yeah. So hopefully we can make a bit of time back today. Not too sure if that's going to be possible because I've just looked at how much diesel I've got. Quarter of a tank. Now that probably would get me through today. However, that's going to set me up for a bad day tomorrow. So if I can, I will grab it at some point today. Waste a little bit more time, but it is what it is. Sometimes these things have got to be done. It is a glorious day. It is 7:30 in the morning and it's already 20 degrees. It's supposed to be getting hotter and hotter throughout the week. It's Friday, they're saying there's going to be 31 degrees even in the shade, so look forward to that. Got a serious trucker tan going on at the moment. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this arm that's always obviously at the window is nice and brown. The other one, not so much. I tell you what as well, it's been so difficult trying to sleep in this weather. A typical British person really, you know, we moan all year round when there's rain and it's cold, it's horrible, you get a little bit of sun. Oh, it's too hot, can't sleep. But you know, would you even be British if you didn't moan? That's what we do, right? I'm going to quickly head off over to Northfleet. I'm going to get myself loaded up and I'll see you guys when we're there. Stay tuned. This sun is so hot today. 23.5 degrees at 9 o'clock in the morning. How the hell I'm going to get out of this place? It looks like it's going to be fun, guys. Look at this. go down now. It's tight. And I think they're going to be offloading me over there, where that crane is. Oh joy, oh joy. Right, as I'm stationary at the moment, I'll turn you off, I'll turn you back on. When we're van behind me there. Posts. All sorts of obstacles today. I love building sites.
Go as far as you can. Leave enough access. By the time you're on strap and everything, it will take that top mark and then it'll come back, yeah?
Lovely.
Just park up on the side, yeah?
Alright, let's go. Unfortunately, my camera's got no battery. I've got you on charge. I am gonna have to go do this, let you charge a bit, and then take you with me when I'm a little bit through. So I'll see you in a bit. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to reverse all the way out here to let this guy go. Possibly. I'm hoping that's not the case, but we shall see. Or is he just going to wait? A bit of a wait, he is. Oh well, soon find out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we've got a nice little long reverse out here. It's going to be fun. Dodgy little building site. What's this guy doing? Let's keep going. This fence post right down the side of you there. Nice and straight. Flatbeds, they said. It would be fun, they said. This is freaking tight. stupidly tight. Too hot for this. Sake. Needs to be moved, really, doesn't it? Being there. God blimey. Just missed the curve and missed hitting that car. That was fun. Alright, let's pull over. Literally, you have to get precision around those corners to miss the curbs. And for anyone that doesn't know, when you're on a new a new building site like this, houses, they go absolutely mental if you drive over the curbs. So yeah, it's always good to be extra careful. Thank you very much. Is it that road? No, it's not that road. It's this one. Take the hazards off now. Let's go around. Take it very, very wide. I hope you got out all right. Right. Switch you